with this program, or with these two buses, what we're going to see is reductions in nitrogen oxide emissions of 92% and reduction of particulate matter of 98%. And that's significant. And it's about the clean air that we all want for our community, for our children. So.
What a great partnership again with the City of Cheyenne and the Wyoming Department of Environmental Quality, in that really what we have found is these diesel engines, this new technology, and these great new buses, it's really going to improve the air conditions, not only for the fantastic kids that get to ride in them, but all of their schoolmates and others that participate and are in the vicinity of these buses.
This has been huge. Our kids, our bus drivers, I know one of them's out here right now, they love these new buses, they drive great. But not only that, we'll be forever grateful to the DEQ for getting these for us, and we're more than excited to have them.
We're really blessed in Wyoming that we have the fantastic air quality that we do, but we can't take it for granted. And so it's taking great measures like this, having these diesel engines with these two new beautiful school buses, that really speaks to really caring about the future, and can't thank the department enough for this partnership.
Reach up here, how's that look?
Looks pretty good, huh?
Good.
Oh, man,
Yeah, that's impressive.